Hey there, glad you could join me as I make another simple yet tasty meal and share the process with you. You know, sometimes it's nice to just take a really simple route to a meal. So in this video, I'm preparing an entree from frozen to ready to eat. Many of you already know that my favorite cooking appliance is the Ninja Foodi. And let me tell you, it's perfect for this. So are you ready? Let's head over to the kitchen. Today we'll use the Ninja Foodi to prepare some crunchy haddock fillets. Now the instructions on the package say to cook the fillets at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes. The Ninja Foodi cooks faster, so we'll set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and the time to 18 minutes. Plus, we'll add 5 minutes for warm-up time. I use an 8-inch round parchment paper first because that helps keep the Ninja Foodi clean. And then add the fish fillets. Oh, don't add the paper without the fillets. Now at the halfway mark, open the Ninja Foodi and turn the fillets so they cook evenly. When all's done, you'll have some lightly browned, crispy, tasty haddock fillets. They're all ready to plate, serve, and enjoy. So you're ready to give cooking from frozen in a Ninja Foodi a try? Let me know how it goes for you. Remember, the Ninja Foodi cooks faster than a normal oven, so less heat and/or less time is needed. Look, leave me a comment or drop me a message. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Oh, and then hit that bell so you're notified when new videos are uploaded. In the meantime, stay safe and enjoy your day. I'm wishing you peace, health, and harmony. Bye for now.